Yeah. Hello guys, we're back again on SIS MELLY Diaries. It's going down. Full chicken challenge. Imagine, bro, full chicken. So what's gonna be going on? It's like everybody has their own full chicken and four Peri Peri, 4 Peri Peris on each. So yeah, we're going down.
Dumebhi. Support me, guys. You know Dumebhi.
So who do you think is gonna get the cash today?
It's obvious.
This is 2,000 rands right there.
It's obvious. It's Dumebhi. It's Dumebhi.
So yeah, man, you guys gotta follow me, support me. I have to finish this chicken, right?
Follow my page, guys. Follow Dumebhi, guys. Support me. I will.
SIS MELLY ready.
Mafira kureva straight today.
SIS MELLY, are you going to win today?
Yes, today, guys, I'm definitely going to win, guys.
No.
I'm taking this money home.
Dumebhi.
Straight.
No,
Guys,
it's for Dumebhi, guys.
2,000 rands. Wow.
It's for
I'm taking this home,
Dumebhi.
guys.
My fans, come
I'm
and support
taking
me.
this.
It's for Dumebhi, this money. Oh, it's for me today.
Just imagine, bro.
You see?
Imagine. 4
I
Peri
will.
Peris. Imagine.
Ay,
I hope I'm going to win though.
ha. It's for Dumebhi, guys.
Okay, so let us see what the diaries are saying.
All right.
Who is going to win?
They say
Oh,
what?
how many minutes, by the way?
They say what? Daddy?
It's 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5.
Yeah, you have to be fast.
Ah, 5
Wow,
no.
wow,
5, no.
wow.
Let's say 10.
10, right?
10, yeah.
SIS MELLY have been letting down the diaries family. Please,
No, today I'm going to. Smelly, it's not, no, guys, today I'm going to try my level best, guys. Today I'm going to try my level best and make you proud.
Ah, it's
Try to
Dumebhi.
make good people. Ah, no.
What's Dumebhi? You know Dumebhi, guys.
This one,
Straight.
this thing, guys, this chicken, the problem they put this sauce is they
Too
were
much
supposed to make
sauce.
it
Ah,
dry.
it's for Dumebhi, guys, you know.
to maybe
We were
the
supposed to
diaries,
eat it
the
dry,
diaries
like,
friends
with
have been looking for
this
you
sauce and what
quite, and you were not there.
There's something happened. That
Dali, Dukunyara.
support me, guys. Please support me. Ngiyacela hle.
Aza shibane-
Bathulu.
ashibane zuwa.
Support me. Obvious.
Chama Gadzira, don't worry, untarise after 2 days. Chipanenge pasisina. 2 days, chana kujobe quite pizza singa kujobe kwa pizza. After 2 days, untochana tundenda hapo. Totanga.
Anzi Dumebhi. Dumebhi, obvious. Dumebhi, aibo.
Do we start?
So this is the cash prize. Cash prize, guys. Whom do you think is going to win, guys?
Thank you, guys.
2,000 rands.
Dumebhi.
SIS MELLY, you have to concentrate. Don't let the diaries down today.
Dumebhi,
Please promise them. SIS MELLY. SIS MELLY. Look here. The diaries family. Promise them.
Winner, guys.
Dumebhi team. Dumebhi team. Dumebhi.
And this thing, national sunscreen, I know that not such a job, but 2 days then after that,
Promise.
2 days then after. Is it? Are we starting?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna. Okay, just 2 minutes.
Thank you, Tariro. Be on my side. Be on my side.
We are not. We have not yet started. Don't rush. Don't rush.
Dumebhi team. Come.
Guys, then I'm gonna have
Dumebhi
to
papuda Lind. Dumebhi ano papuda noziya.
Oh. All right,
Let's go, guys.
all right.
Up.
And there's team.
You know where the danger is. You know where the danger is. Right
Dumebhi
here.
ano
I'm not good at chess, guys. So,
Because guys,
I don't know if I'm going to.
Guys, you are not gonna win if you don't finish the chilies.
So
Then
we have to finish the
Yeah.
whole chilies.
So, SIS MELLY,
Mabonzo atidyeka.
you must finish the chilies in order to
Mabonzo
win.
atibati. Yeah.
Bones you don't eat, right?
Yes.
Hanzi Dumebhi
Full chicken challenge.
So guys, the challenge is here and the money is set.
Tuchitanga izvi naita dodo line matadodori. Timu iri kundisapota, timu rangu riri kumira neni. Timu rangu kumira neni, timu rangu kumira neni, nasi uri kuda kuwina. Dumebhi vanongodla.
Dumebhi team. Haiwa. Dumebhi team obvious. Yeah. Kai Dumebhi ndakakutemba Viki. How are you Viki?
Speak to your fans.
Dumebhi munomuziva guys. Support me, my follower. Hi. Dumebhi.
Totanga here.
You know Dumebhi.
Actually, the problem is chilies, man. Chilies.
So, Mr.
You know
Dimbus,
Dumebhi.
Yes, sir.
If you know, you know.
are you sure you are going to win today?
Dumebhi,
I'm
go.
not sure because I'm already full. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'll try my best.
Oh.
And the problem is the chilies.
Tatenda mubakure, mina ndizame sha.
I don't like
Let me
chilies.
try.
So I'll do my best though.
So, are you saying that Dumebhi is going to take all the money?
Oh yeah.
What you have
This all money here.
Yes, it's for Dumebhi.
Because hapana mrangu.
It's for Dooms.
This whole money
My
here.
fans,
Dumebhi.
Dumebhi, you know guys, you support me. I know you, my fans. This man.
Beauty wakundirinyebera manje. Wakundiyekera kwanzi nyaso nemwe pedza ichili zakada iwe. Waudati ndifere sha. Wakomana Dumebhi ari kusapota kumana. Excuse me akwewe. Akoni mari
Dumebhi, you.
Tranlaji sure here.
Ndakadambula ndakadai.
Kuse mchingoti mchingoti anowina Dumebhi guys. Semchingoti Dumebhi anowina. Manje ndakadikawina ndokupa 100 rand. Ndangowina ndokupa 100 rand.
Guys, we have not yet started.
Not yet.
So,
Yes,
guys, katipambo dizvite
Ndipe ukalemo kwa isaile munhu.
Let's fix it.
Dumebhi anenge atiwe nembiri very way. Kwa Dumebhi anozora kare. He's going. Ndoshamu kwa Dumebhi. Aiwa kuse chiri ndikuwadza ndikamedza nisinga uyu. Ndikamedza nisingatsengisha.
We are about to start, guys. Please get ready. Please get ready, guys. Sis Melly, please get ready and my phone number is upside down.
Pasi pacho pane table zvapa denda ati takazogara pasi chaipo chaipo. Ndatodyika from the floor chaipo chaipo. Kwa ichidya yakucha mugobe chaipo makomenzi. Ko takamira kuti ticha namba iri kudiwa nemunhu akabata foni kwani. Kwa ngomedza iyi uri kurodze maiti zvinoita here.
Wait. So I'm gonna count down.
All right.
How many minutes?
We are taking this one for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, guys. The challenge is going to be.
I'll try.
Over.
I'm gonna try, guys. I'll take this money
10,
home. I'm taking
9,
this money.
8,
I'm taking this money home.
7.
Yes, it's 9.
6.
Yes, it's 9.
5.
Yeah.
4.
All right.
Yeah.
2. 1 and go.
All right.
Zoe is my phone to go.
Oh, wow.
Guys, Dumebhi is almost there. Mother Diaries is coming. Mother Diaries is coming hot today.
Don't forget the chilies.
I want to make a
It was sticky.
I'm gonna my bones up. Guys, Dumebhi, guys.
Dumebhi is already in 3/4, guys. Ah, pane nyama, Sis Melly. Guys, as you can see, Dumebhi is in the last quarter.
Vajuram Scanner 2000.
This is too much. I do maybe.
We better put the shama. Check the figure down.
Okay, this is the plate of Dumebhi, guys.
Don't you like my bones, guys? When we can allow my bones,
Let's not slow. I'm just marrying there. I'm going to How many minutes?
We are almost.
Okay.
So finally,
chilies.
Too much.
Guys, you may chew in apple. No, I'm playing chili.
I go.
Someone will die here.
Guys, my supporter. Let's go to Dumebhi.
You surrender. Dumebhi guys.
Dumebhi is done, guys. So we are waiting for chilies final.
Okay. Nah, I want to make no. That was not fair, man. How can you race with someone who has already finished the full chicken? I can't race anymore. Wrong pipe.
It's coming. It's coming. Come here. No. You have to finish your salad. Remember, there's prize on the steak here.
About that winner. Salad isn't in the book.
Smell, what's going on?
Have some more.
I told you guys.
Okay, Anzinali, you know about me song inonzi. Okay, song inonzi mnondiziva here. It's one of my songs. It's gonna come out very soon. It's me and Mr. Dimbos.
Yes, sir.
It's called Mnondiziva.
I told you guys.
We'll drop it soon.
Yeah, win. Guys, in the best.
So the winner is Dumebhi.
Nah.
Toramari Agosha. Dumebhi happens. Zama Sports. My dad is crying again. Dumebhi have to throw Ramadan.
No, guys. Actually, I know that's what shit.
Mother diaries were quads one chilies.
Yo, guys. Yo. I almost choked to death, guys.
Don't
You see the white meat? The white meat is very thick and it just went over my neck like that.
So Mr. Dimbos.
I tried my best, guys. Yo.
Mr. Dimbos failed. SIS MELLY.
Let me catch my money, guys. Let me catch my money before my money disappear.
Dumebhi.
Let me catch my money before my money disappear. Let me catch it.
All right. Next time it's me. Next time it's me.
My money, guys. You know what, black label, guys.
Dumebhi, I got too much.
Yeah.
Before 10 minutes we're done.
Huh?
Yes.
Nah, you're too much.
Guys.
Guys.
But that's volume to me.
Yo. Wow.
This is the works of Dumebhi.
So nobody was commenting about me. They were just quiet.
You were crying today. They were asking, why are you crying?
Yo, I almost choked, bro.
Let me see my comment.
I almost choked.
But you remember Dumebhi
I had Dumebhi. Chilies. Happens. It's a fair game. It's a fair game, guys.
Yeah.
Once you better a different challenge because Dumebhi master.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I think time.
Okay, guys. See you next time. Next time, guys. We're gonna bring you another challenge tomorrow.
Love you guys.
Or on Sunday. See you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Keep on supporting Dumebhi. Mother diaries. So Mruti chiko nema fans enyu nasi. Tarisai kuna mother.
Guys, ndikuyangu ne live nemsoro ita diwa.
Mr. Dimbos.
I almost died, guys. I almost died. For you guys, imagine. But you guys just keep on watching, keep on following us. We love you so much, guys. So take care. EugeCube.
Yeah, man.